So just as I was getting out of the cab, this happened. I pulled this up and it just came off. Yeah, like that. Just broke out of there, out of the holes. Great start to the tour.
But not to worry, I got myself some Gorilla Glue.
I'm in Domino Park here in New York City. I made it to America. I'm here with WillOB and we've come down for a bit of a tourist lap. But yeah, there's some ladies taking selfies behind me if they're still there. But I'm going to go see if I can go get a picture with them, or I'm going to get a thumbs up, or I'm going to get rejected. We'll go find out.
Ready? Go!
Little doggy park.
They've just converted it into apartments and mall.
What are you eating, Will?
Got a fish taco here. We're in the Domino Park. Really good.
What's that, Will?
Whip.
What year do you think it is? 74, did it tell you on the plates, you know? Not like England. England it does. Yeah, yeah. Get it. Branqueeno, where are we?
We are at Silo. We're arriving.
And what we're doing? Sorry, I didn't give you any.
We're going to do a workshop. We're going to teach people how to use a CDJ as a V10, some networking, and then we're going to do an after party.
Yeah, thanks. I didn't give you any warning that I was filming, did I? Sorry. You smashed it though. Beat kicks in, I'm just going to do it. So if I'd have done that normally, without slip on it, it'd have gone.
Everything you need is right here. Release yourself. Free your inner visions and become one with the music.